Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript switch statement. You can use the switch statement to select one of many code blocks to be executed. Let me give an example. Let's come in here and type script tag, and within a script tag, now let's type in here let day semicolon, and after that I'm gonna type in here switch statement, and here I'm gonna type new date object, and I'm gonna call in here get day method, and come in here and type case 0. If that is the case, day would be Sunday. Now let me delete this line of code. Now let's copy from case, come in here and paste it various times. Now let's come in here and select everything and correct the indentation. Alright, now let's type in here 1. This will be 2, 3, sorry, let's make it 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, and let's delete this code from here. That looks perfect. And now change our days to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's capitalize it. Thursday, Friday, and what did I miss? Okay, I typed, let's make it let's delete it and type in here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It's safe. We don't have anything right now. Now let's come in here and type, I'm gonna log it, the day is day. Let's add plus sign here. Let's capitalize D, hit save, and we get day is Friday. Actually, this break keyword will stop the execution inside the switch block, and it's not necessary to break the last case in a switch block. Did I? Yes, let me delete it for now. Now we have got another keyword which is default. Let's come in here and delete a couple of code from here. Let's keep these two, and let's come in here and change it to 6 or 0, and let's change this to it would be text, and the text would be today is Saturday, and copy this from here and paste it here. Today is Sunday, and I'm gonna copy this from here and paste it here. Let's type in here default keyword, the text. We don't need this break anymore, and type in here looking forward to the weekend. Hit save, and we get sorry, let me remove this as well. Hit save, and we get looking forward to the weekend, because the default keyword, because this default keyword specifies the code to run if there is no case match. Sometimes you will want different switch cases to use the same code. Let me give an example. Let's come in here and let me remove it from here, and I'm gonna type in here case 4, next line case 5 colon text equals soon it is weekend, and let's copy it from here, and semicolon next line. I'm gonna break this code here, and let's correct the indentation. Alright, now let's copy it from here and paste it right here, and here I'm gonna type case 0 and case 6 colon soon. Let's remove it. Now case 4 and 5 share this line of code, and case 0 and 6 share these lines of code. Let's save it, and we get soon it is weekend. And that was all about switch. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.